Hey, so it's that time of year again. Black Friday deals are around the corner. There are a couple things to keep an eye out for, especially things like this. So there are a bunch of DJI products going on sale that we're expecting to. So keep an eye out for that. Oh, what does this mean, ask? Well, let's go inside, talk about some more. Starting off with my favorite out of the bunch is this drone. Oh, sorry, wrong one. This drone. Who doesn't like drones? Come on. This is a DJI Mavic 3 Cine. This is a high-end drone package designed for professional aerial photography and videography. The main camera has a 20 megapixel resolution, offering 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 4K at up to 120 FPS. It also has a telephoto lens sensor with a 12 megapixel resolution, featuring a 162mm equivalent lens and 28 times hybrid zoom. It also supports Apple ProRes 422 codecs, and it has an internal storage of 1TB SSD for ample footage capacity. As for flight performance, it's about around 46 minutes under optimal conditions, and its maximum takeoff altitude is 6,000 meters, and that's pretty high up there. It's equipped with omnidirectional optical sensing, which means it has comprehensive environmental awareness, unlike, this guy that ran into a tree. The tree was very hostile. It ran over the drone. For a drone, it's very light at only 899 grams, and for the battery, its capacity is 5,000 milliamps an hour. Its charge time is approximately 96 minutes using the included charger. Now with the combo that we got with the drone, it came with multiple accessories, like a remote controller, ND filters, and other accessories, and various blades. These specs make the Mavic 3 Cine a versatile tool for professional filmmakers and photographers seeking high-resolution imaging and advanced flight capabilities. Now let's talk about the DJI Ronin SE. This is compact and lightweight, which is designed for mirrorless cameras. The gimbal itself weighs approximately 830 grams, and its grip weight is 258 grams, with an addition of a tripod weight approximately 160 grams. Now the payload capacity is up to 2 kilograms. As for the battery, its capacity is 2,450 milliamps an hour. Now as for power, it's 1764 watt hours. For charging time, it approximately takes about 2.5 hours at least. These specifications highlight the Ronin SE's suitability for filmmakers and content creators seeking a portable and efficient stabilization solution for mirrorless cameras. The Ronin SE is great and all, but if you're looking for something better, the Ronin RS3 Pro is even better. It's a professional grade 3 axis gimbal stabilizer designed to support heavier camera setups and provide advanced stabilization features. So think of it as the previous one, but way better. Now, the maximum tested payload is about 4.5 kilograms, or 10 pounds. For battery life, its capacity is 1,950 milliamps an hour, with a runtime up to 12 hours. Its charging time approximately 1.5 hours with a 24 watt charger, which is a little bit faster than the previous one. Now this Ronin comes with additional features. With automated access locks, it enables quick setup and storage for automatically locking and unlocking the gimbal's axis. On top of that, with super smooth mode, it enhances stabilization for fast moving scenarios by increasing motor torque, but that also uses more battery. So better pack some extra batteries with you. The O3 Pro video transmission provides integrated receiving, monitoring, and control capabilities. These specs make the Ronin RS3 Pro a versatile tool for professional filmmakers and videographers seeking advanced stabilization and control for their camera systems. This is the gimbal you saw me use in the intro of the video, and the one we use for all of our shoots, including our B-roll. Let's see if you don't have a camera, but you want the stabilization of a professional gimbal. DJI got you covered, because this is the Osmo Mobile 6 State Gray. Is a compact and intelligent smartphone stabilizer. It's designed to enhance your mobile videography experience. It weighs about 300 grams, and well, it can pretty much hold any mobile phone. Its battery capacity is 1,000 milliamp hours, while its operating time is approximately 6.4 hours under ideal conditions. And for its charge time, it's about 1.5 hours using a 10 watt charger. With built-in features with an extension rod, active track 6.0, quick launch, side wheel control, magnetic phone clamp, and for its more professional counterpart, it has a 3-axis stabilization, which ensures smooth and shake-free footage. Audio is one of the most important parts of our recordings, which is why we rely on the DJI Mic 2. The mic is good for on the go or being outside. It's also very compact. You can also just hide it in your shirt. It's a very well-known tool in the YouTube community, or for vloggers. Its weight, it's only 28 grams. Its battery capacity is 360 milliamp hours. Its charging time is about 70 minutes. Its operating time is up to 6 hours. Its internal storage is 8 gigabytes, supporting up to 14 hours of 48 kilohertz 24-bit uncompressed audio recording. Its internal storage is 8 gigabytes, supporting up to 14 hours of 48 kilohertz 24-bit uncompressed audio recording. This mic is perfect when you're out recording outside or on the road. It has intelligent noise cancelling, which it reduces environmental noise for clear audio capture. This mic pack has a dedicated receiver for real-time audio monitoring, which you can connect via aux, Lightning, or Type-C. So this is the mic that gives us a crispy audio. Burger King foot lettuce. The Rodent Image Transmitter, also known as Raven Eye, is an image transmission system enhances the capabilities of compatible DJI gimbals by providing wireless video transmission and advanced control features. Its weight is 126 grams, well within the specs you could carry on the gimbals. Its features is AfterTrack 3.0, Force Mobile, remote gimbal control, manual focus, camera parameter adjustments, and live view monitoring. This is a must for getting the perfect shot, especially when the person is moving. The camera will track that person, or whoever is in frame. It's compatible with the RS4, RS3, RS2, and other variants. Lastly, this is on my wish list. It's insane in the best ways possible. This is a Ronin 4D 8K. It's an advanced all-in-one cinema camera system designed to meet the demands of professional filmmakers. Now I know we're not considered professional filmmakers, but it'd be nice to have at least. It has a 4-axis stabilization, which incorporates Z-axis stabilization to reduce vertical camera shake, in addition to a traditional 3-axis stabilization. That's a lot of stabilization right there. If we ever get this, we'll make an entirely whole different video on it. Make it very cinematic. So we either paid $13,000 for it. Oh my goodness! Or maybe DJI can sponsor us, maybe? Anyways, that's all we have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Would you use these products? Let us know down in the comments. I'm Isaac. Thank you for watching. See ya. DJI, please sponsor us.